Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We have this beautiful, brand new Street Glide. Came in for 4-speaker setup. So he already had kicker lids. We just switched out the speakers. We went with the Diamond Audio MP694s and the Diamond Audio MP654s in the front. 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s, 1 bridge to the front, 1 bridge to the rears. This thing sounds great. It's loud, has excellent mid bass, and no loss of bag space at all. This thing's, I'm happy with it. We flashed the radio, activated CarPlay and Android Auto. So CarPlay and Android Auto are activated, radio's flashed and updated. And it's got a DSR1 DSP, which we RTA tuned. This one's on its way home.
A man of distinction, a real big spender. Good-looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? You get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every...
She's crazy and I love it. She's crazy and I love it. She's crazy and I love it. She's the kind of girl I'm taking drinking on the weekend, saying journey dive bar, don't stop believing. Bloody Mary's in the morning, football Sunday. Both know we're hurting when we're working on a Monday. Family ties to her small town roots. She's got a lot of pride in those cowgirl boots. Dancing on the tabletops, I love it how she moves. She's my kind of girl, 'cause she loves to get loose.